I'm shooting in like a natural, and we're 12 times lossless zoom. And as we pull out of the shot, we're going to see a change. How much change did you see? I'm not sure. Well, like a natural does pretty fine. And here it's July 15th. North America smoke from Canada has arrived, giving us different types of sceneries of the sky. Let's see if the sun is a little different, a little clearer over here as we zoom on in, and keeping our best to keep it centered in the shot. It gives you an idea of what the camera, the Insta360 Luna Ultra, can do. This is still firmware 1.047 when firmware 1.0124 has been out and slowly rolling to the people. We have some rafts. We have the boat that goes out for the summertime. That's the summer camp boat right there that you see in the videos. I have not officially sat down and did a review of the Insta360 Luna Ultra. It's still early in my hands to really say how I love the camera, because it's a love and it's a love and hate relationship. But I do want to get this myrtle crepe that's right here. The myrtle crepe is like a red, a little pinkish. I'm not sure if you want to say cranberry. It's a rose type color as we zoom in the closest as we can. You get an idea of what the coloring looks like on the plant, its flowers. The microphone, the Insta360 Mic Pro. The magnet they give to you, right? It's not the best in the world. It's all I'm saying. If you put this on a car, a jacket, anything that is going to be moving, chances are you may lose the magnet as well as the microphone. That's why you see me use this pendant. It holds pretty strong, and I am tugging pretty strong if asked. The benefit of the large magnet, your shirt, anything that goes on it is not going to drag down. Wouldn't you want something to stay perfectly on? I don't know if I could grab that shot and zoom in and I just hit tracking. I don't know if it's seen it, if I could grab it, but there it is. It's on the top 12 times, hit tracking, and I don't think it grabbed it, but I am able to zoom in, and that is 12 times zoom. Man, that mosquito caught me. Now, I didn't see the information transfer over saying that I'm using the microphone, but let's shut this mic. And now it is switching on over, so let's switch on over. Now we're on this microphone. I want to get out of here because I just got bitten up. I'm probably going to get bitten up all along. But the beauty about this is if I hit the tracking on me, it's going to track me now while I walk around. One of the questions is nobody's asking, can you track while zoom? So I'm going to start to walk that way and zoom in. So let's walk and zoom. I'm out of here, man. I'm getting all bitten up and I am able to be tracked and zoom. Fish, let's get on going. Is this a bike camera? I don't know. I hold it in hand and I zoom in some. I'm trying to capture the workers over here, and I'm going over some bumps on the road. The person's walking their dog. Yes, indeed. I'm able to have zoomed in already and capture the shot and use tracking and be able to track and capture things on the go. Don't forget, when you on zoom and flip it around, you have to, get off of zoom. And this way you don't be so close up in the shot. Yeah, it could be a bike camera. It's pretty smooth and fast. I'm not speeding along and I always hold it in hand. I could put it on the mount but I know vibration's going to happen. It's on the handlebars, double clamped, tightened down, and everything always shakes no matter what it is. Sometimes you need a double clamp. You tell me if this is susceptible going 9 miles per hour. I think it does pretty good at fast, but I won't do it all the time. I definitely have to be on a smooth surface. Now what if I take the gimbal off the controller off the gimbal, and I could zoom on in? I'm holding it by hand, and you get an idea of what it looks like so. For like 6 years, 7 years, that jet ski hasn't moved. Now why doesn't the Parks Recreation Department or Sanitation come and take care of it? I don't know. There it is, as you can see. I tried capturing that jet ski with auto tracking, and I caught a car on a highway instead. Alright, you see that styrofoam cube? I zoomed in. I'm tracking it. So now I could move around some. I could zoom in. It was moving pretty fast. It darkened up. And I don't think the tracking is still on it. I think the tracking got off of it. So let's hit tracking again. Now it's locked on, and we are tracking. You're not going to see much when you're close up to the shot, if asked. So let's zoom on out. And it's still tracking. Alright, I'm trying to track the airplane now, and I still can't get on the tracking, but let's get real nice and close. And now let's hit the tracking, see if it locks in. There we go, finally locked in. It's hard to see with the smoke in the air, but now we're able to see how far this can grab and go. Still green, still tracking, still going. Now you can smell that smoke. It's all the way out there, still tracking, holding center. Now I hardly could see it, and I still see the green on here. And it just made a bank towards the left. It's turning. It's towards Floyd Benefield, going down. And you can see it's still tracking in a great distance. It's going to lose it because right now it's behind the trees and lost. Man, that one mosquito, he followed me all the way down here. I got to leave again. Well, this camera does exactly what it's supposed to do. The Insta360 Lunar Ultra. It's warm to the touch. It's not burning hot like people are saying. I'm at 4K, 30 frames per second. I would love to capture some shots to you, but it's too much of the mosquitoes here. Let's see if I can zoom on in. Lock on in, see if it grabs it. Get a nice close-up shot because I'm not even sure what it's grabbing. There we go. Still not locked on. I'll just enjoy what I can grab while I'm swatting mosquitoes here, man. Unbelievable. Not worth the shot for me. Sorry, guys. I'd rather not get bitten up by 50 mosquitoes right on me. Sometimes tracking works, sometimes it don't. Hard to see to get a shot. How's that for a shot? I'm about 3 feet away and I'm zoomed in. And let me hit tracking so I can stop shaking. It holds pretty strong, but still not tracking. Oh, it was tracking. How about the daisies? I'm tracked on them, so this way you get to see the daisies, a nice large square. All right, here's some more daisies we'll zoom in on. Try to keep it centered right there. In the distance, you're not going to see the birds. They were just there flying. How about the birds on the ground over here, the starlings? Well, today's shots, like a natural, 4K, 30 frames per second. Everything else basically left alone. We did some auto, deep tracking. Did our best to get some shots out there for you. I hope you enjoy the camera. If this is the camera that you are looking for and still trying to think if it's worth getting until the next camera that comes out, that it will be the Extra Muse 2 Pro. And that may be something that you all may want to wait for. And that choice is up to you. I'm Fish. I hope to see you on the next video. Enjoy, everybody.